What's up everyone? This is my 2017 Mustang GT premium package, and I'm changing the tune on it. I have a Lund tune currently, and I'm just revised the tune, so I'm gonna be showing you guys that. And it's a quick run through the mods. So I have a JLT holder intake, and then I have a Roush axle back, and then I have a X-pipe on it also. And then yeah, I'll show you guys the process for the tune. Alright, so yeah, I'm about to start tuning the car. So basically when you turn it on, you're gonna have these three options. You just go to the second option, tuning, and then low tune, and then just find the tune, click the check mark, flash this tune. It's gonna say loading tune. This will take approximately 3 minutes. Yes. Turn key on, so just hit it, and then yeah, it's gonna start tuning it. That tune has been installed. Turn the key off for 10 seconds and start the vehicle. Just click OK, and then just turn it off for 10 seconds. Alright, it's been 10 seconds.